the tail that wags.
I want to thank everybody for the great response for my last video, Mishaps and Hiccups and Dog Sitting. 2 of those dogs that are brothers came over for dog sitting this week. So I thought I'd give you an update. Now the first dog is Toby, the one who loves water and mud and has an issue in being in either. And the other dog, Rufus, is the one who got in the fight with Bender and Bender got me instead of Rufus. Well, he has a love of good music. And we're going to compare last year to this year and how his love of good music is kind of contagious to the other dogs. I also have a few fun, strange videos coming up in the next few weeks. So hit the subscribe button so you can be amongst the first to see it. Don't forget to hit the like button. And for those of you who put comments in the comment section, thank you very much. It helps me understand what's good and what needs to be worked on. So don't be shy in putting those in. So let's start with Toby. Toby is a rescue and he's a lover. He's come a long way and he has grown into a fantastic dog. This is Rufus. He's loving, loyal, and protective. Unfortunately, Rufus had a cancerous tumor taken out of his leg recently. But in addition to his medical treatment, Rufus gets Chinese medicine and he's consulting for laser chemo next week. I really think it's his positive attitude that's making his recovery a success. I was there the day these 2 met, and it seemed the moment they met each other, they knew they needed one another. Their bond has just grown, and when you see these fellows, they're truly brothers. I really love these guys. I think Toby has lost his mind. He's barking at the water and he just won't get out. Toby, you've been here for a long time, please. Oh, Lord. Well, Toby's going to start tripping now. I think Toby's a little nutty. He ripped a hole in the pool and ripped a hole in the carpet under it. So he compromised. I had this power washed it out, and Toby's just happy. He's as happy as a hog in mud right now. And he's going to come out clean. I'm happy. He's happy. Everybody's happy. Now the trouble is, how are we going to get him out of there? Toby is a busy boy. He just got out of the water and now he's taking a walk. And there's busy Toby. Mr. Toby. He's busy. He's got stuff he's got to do. Toby. Toby. Toby, here's a treat. Toby. Ooh, Toby, here's a treat, honey. Toby, you don't want the treat? Okay. Toby is a crazy dog. Toby, look. Toby, look, I got a treat. You don't care nothing. I'm gonna have to pull that dog out of that water. Toby, you got to get out that water. Honey, you're shivering. You're all cold. Okay, this is Toby on crack right here. Right, this is crack right here. Toby, we got to get you out the water because it's just too cold. Let me get your leash here. So I finally just turned it upside down. Honey, the water is gone, baby. It's gone. You need to lay down, honey. I don't think Toby's going to lay down, though. We're not going in the water. Toby, we're not going in the water. We're not going in the water. You need to sit down for a little while. If you warm up, I'll let you go in the water. Okay? I just want you to warm up, honey. Rufus, your brother is crazy.
But beautiful.
Here, Toby, you don't want no treat? That's a good treat. You don't want no beef jerky? Oh, Toby. Oh, okay, Rufus. He just said he'll take it. Toby, honey, I should have never started you on that. Come on and eat your dinner. You really want to play in that water so bad.
He looks so sad.
All right, Toby. Toby, you are so tired. You are so tired. Look at you. You're about to pass out. Toby, what you doing, honey? You need to stop. Toby, honey, I think you've had enough, baby. I think you've had enough. You ready to get out? All right, Toby. It's about time to get out now. Come on. Now we're going to take a look at Rufus and his love of music, and how his love of music has affected his brother Toby. Even Quinn has a howl or two.
Good.
Toby. Quinn, are you dancing too? You ready to dance with me? Down now. Check it down, check it down, check it down now. Toby said, I can't take it anymore. I'm exhausted.